Farmed salmon and wild salmon are two different types of salmon that are raised and harvested in different ways. Here are some of the main differences between the two. Farmed salmon is raised in large, artificial enclosures known as fish farms. These farms can be located in the ocean, in lakes, or in rivers. Farmed salmon are fed a diet of grains, plant proteins, and fishmeal to help them grow quickly. Capture is efficient, so there is minimal struggling, meaning that flavor isn't diminished by a stressful death. Caught fish are placed in cold water, then stunned before being quickly killed. Wild salmon, on the other hand, are caught in the wild from natural bodies of water such as oceans, rivers, and streams. They are not raised in artificial environments, and are not fed a specific diet. Muscle fibers in wild fish tend to be denser than those in farmed fish, giving their flesh a slightly firmer texture. Fighting tides, chasing prey, and fleeing predators tone muscles. Wild salmon experience more stress in the last moments of life and may fight against a trawler's net. As with other animals who have a stressful slaughter, lactic acid can build up in their muscles, resulting in a metallic aftertaste when we eat them. As for which type of salmon is healthier and better, it depends on a variety of factors. Nutritional content. Wild salmon tends to have a higher vitamin D and content of omega-3 fatty acids, which makes it softer and more moist. High amount of omega-3 is beneficial for heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. Farmed salmon can also be a good source of omega-3s, but the levels may vary depending on the type of feed that is used. Environmental impact. Farmed salmon can have a larger environmental impact compared to wild salmon due to the artificial conditions in which they are raised. Fish farms can generate waste, use large amounts of water, and may contribute to the spread of diseases and parasites to wild fish populations. Wild salmon, on the other hand, aren't treated with chemicals, pesticides, and antibiotics, and they are less likely to spread disease. Taste and texture. Some people may prefer the taste and texture of wild salmon over farmed salmon, as wild salmon tends to have a firmer flesh and a more robust flavor. However, this can vary depending on the specific species of salmon and the methods used to prepare it. In summary, both farmed and wild salmon can be healthy and delicious, but it's important to consider the environmental and nutritional factors when choosing which type to eat.